In our last couple of tips, we've talked about tracing the path of your SeeSnake push cable inside a pipe. We talked about why you might want to do this, how to connect the transmitter to the monitor, and how to trace the cable with your receiver. Now, when the camera is inside a pipe, you may not get a great signal. And in this tip, we'll talk about why that is and what you can do about it. Let's start with the basics of line tracing. Alternating current flowing on a conductor produces a signal we can locate. So for current to flow, it needs a conductor. In this case, the wires inside your SeeSnake push cable and the metal spring and camera head. And it needs somewhere to go. So out through our cable and back to the transmitter's ground stake. But pipes, and especially plastic pipes, are insulators. So how do we get current to flow through an insulator? Short answer, try a higher frequency. Long answer, a phenomena called capacitive coupling allows alternating current energy to couple from one leg of the circuit, our cable, onto another leg of the circuit, the earth that leads back to our ground stake, without the legs actually touching. Capacitive coupling can overcome the resistance of an insulator that would completely stop DC current, and higher frequencies tend to couple better. So if 1 kilohertz doesn't work, try setting your transmitter to 8 kilohertz or 33 kilohertz. The resistance of the soil you're in also affects your signal. The type of the soil, its moisture content, mineral content, and the depth of your ground rod all affect resistance. Pouring water near your ground rod raises the moisture content of the soil, which lowers its resistance. And with your ground rod, size matters, because a longer ground stake that you can drive just a few inches deeper can significantly lower resistance. We've also found that running some water in the line can sometimes improve the signal. So those are a few things you can do to try and improve your signal. But what about situations where there's no place to drive in the ground stake? We have a tip coming that covers that, so stay tuned. In the meantime, if you want more information on these tools or how to use them, visit their product pages on rigid.com or stop by the SeeSnake support website.